Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Bianca. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for joining us again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look with the pop of pink. I used a couple of Kylie Cosmetics products, which is clutch because it's a Kylie inspired makeup look, obviously. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, well, let's get right into this tutorial so you guys can learn. But if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, hit the red subscribe button down below and hit the bell to get notified when I post my next video. But yeah, let's get right into this video so you guys can see how I achieve this look right here. Alrighty, so opening up the box, we have Kylie right here. We also have the holiday Kylie card, and it says, "Happy holidays. I hope your year has been filled with love and joy. Best wishes to you." So we got the new KKW lip collection. I'm super excited to swatch these. We also got the Kylie Santorini Glow, the loose highlighter. We got two new concealers. These are in the shade Almond and Bone. And then I got the Coconut Lip Liner. Super excited to try that. And the Low-Key Velvet Lip. And that's it. Box is empty. But yeah, let's just go in with this makeup look. So starting off to prime my face, I'm going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Color Correcting Primer. I've used this primer for so long. This is the mini one, but I used to have the big one and I ran through it so quick. I get a lot of redness on my face, so the color correcting one is perfect for me. Today I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty. This is a Pro Filtered in the shade 260. This is my go-to. I'm going to pump a Ooh, I'm running low. So I just pumped a couple of pumps. I'm also going to use my ColourPop No Filter Foundation in the shade Light 65. This is definitely a shade off from what I usually use. I don't know, because like they mix kind of the same, but I don't know. It's just like a weird looking foundation on me. So I'm just going to mix the two. And I'm just using like a regular end of my brush. And then I'm just taking my Morphe Beauty Sponge and I am going to blend this all into my skin. I feel like the foundation looks pretty good. My skin looks super flawless right now. I'm having like a super good skin day today. I also changed my skincare routine. So if you guys want to see an updated skincare routine, let me know in the comment section down below. Basically, I switched like my whole skincare routine. Moving on to the concealer. This is in the shade of Bone. This is a brand new one, so I'm super excited to try this. I got it in a shade a little bit lighter than the other two concealers that I was using by her. And then I'm just going to use the same beauty sponge to blend this out. I really like the shade of the concealer. It's definitely a lot lighter than the other two shades I was using. I think I was using Hickory and Birch. They were brightening, but they almost were similar to my foundation color, so it didn't really do too much justice. So this contour shade is the same exact one we were using before, Almond. Alright, so this is weird. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like this white substance in the bottle, and it's not even on the outside, it's in the inside. I'm just gonna contour like I usually do. I'm just going to use my Jaclyn Hill JH05 brush to blend this contour out. I'm dirtying my whole entire headband. But I honestly don't even care if this darker shade gets in my hair. It doesn't bother me that much. It's honestly just like the concealer and stuff. So it's all good. Blend this out. I'm just taking my beauty sponge and any excess product that I have from that concealer. I'm just like lightening up this contour. Guys, so I just got two new kittens and I want to show you guys them. They're so freaking cute. I'll be right back. Look at how cute they are. I don't know their names yet because I don't know their gender. I think they're both boys, but I'm not 100% sure. The last time I got kittens, I thought one was a boy, one was a girl, and they both ended up being boys. But yeah, I think these two are definitely boys. This one's staring at me through the mirror. He's sleepy. I just woke this one up. But yeah, these are my two kitties. They're 5 weeks old. They're tiny, teeny tiny. But yeah, I'm gonna put them back to sleep because they're gonna get crazy in a second. For my setting powder, I'm going in with the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Setting Powder. I've never used the actual like little poof that it comes with, but we're gonna try it out today. Let's see how this shit works. So now the nose contour is done. I use my Lexi 239 Precision Shader Brush. I'm now just going to go into the brows. I'm using the ColourPop Brow Boss Pencil. All I'm using for my brows today. I want to keep it super light, super natural, nothing crazy. I don't even want to like shape them out too much. You guys know what I mean. I kind of just want to fill in the sparse areas. Just going to do a little bit of definition underneath the front of the brow. So to finish off this brow, I'm just going to go in with some of my ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. See how natural and nice that looks? Just going to keep all of the hairs right where I put them. I'm just going to take that brush and kind of shape the top of the brow. This one's always a little bit harder to do because the front of the brow is completely different. So the brows aren't perfect. They're not meant to be perfect. I just really wanted a nice natural looking brow. Let's move on to the eyes, the most anticipated part of this look. To start off the eye look, I'm going in with my Laura Lee Los Angeles Cat's Pajamas palette. Mine is so freaking dirty. I used to use this palette all the time when it first came out. So the first shade I'm going in with is Okie Dokie. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M535 brush. And I'm applying the shade all over the lid. So the next shade that I'll be going in with is Bomb Diggity. And I'm using my Morphe M573 brush to do so. So I'm applying this all over the crease. So next I think I want to take the shade Redonkulous right here. And I'm just taking my finger and applying her right to the center of the lid. Actually, I'm going to apply her all over the lid. I'm just going to take my JH38 brush to really get this shade in the crease. And then what I'm going to do is take the shade Scatterbrain with my finger and apply that right to the center of the lid. So now that we are done with the lid, I'm going to move into the highlight of this makeup tutorial, I can say, I guess, which is the inner corner of the eye. I'm taking my Morphe 35B palette to do so. And I'm just going to be taking this very vibrant pink shade. I'm so excited for this part. Oh my god. And I'm using my JH39 brush. I like the pop of color. I'm just going to take that first shimmer brush that we use and kind of blend these two shades together right here. So it's not super harsh. I'm digging it, I'm digging it. The last thing that we need to do is a little wing. I think I want to keep this look super light and natural, so I'm going to do a shadow wing. Let's see. I need like a brown shade. So I'm just taking my Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. And I'll be going in with this brown shade right here. I really like that. Going right back in with the Cat's Pajamas palette. I'm going to be smoking out the lower lash line with Kooky. And I'm using my JH40 brush to do so. Alrighty, so the wings look pretty symmetrical. I'm just going to pop some lashes on. I'm debating between which lash I want to use, these more fluffy lashes or these more like Jurassic ones. I think I want to go in with the fluffier ones. I love these lashes. I don't know what it is about them, but I feel like they'll make the look really come together. So I'm just going to pop this lash on. I'm just coating my lashes with the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. I'm actually living for this eye look. It's so freaking stunning. I like can't even do. I wanted to take the Twilight shade right here from the Midnight Masquerade palette with my JH42 brush. And I want to pop this right in the brow bone. Alright, so now I'm just going to move on to the rest of the face. So before I apply any blush or highlights, I'm going in with the ColourPop All Star Face Setting Spray. And I'm just going to spritz this all over. Then taking my beauty sponge, I'm just going to press this into the skin. And then I'm just going to use my mirror as a quick little fan. So for my blush today, I'm going in with the Bretman Rock ColourPop Collab blush. This is in the shade Oh She's Blushin'. And this is a super shock cheek blush, and it is matte. I'm going to be using my JH04 brush, and I picked this blush just because I am doing a holiday inspired makeup look. It's like super pigmented, the color payoff is there, and I just love the color. Like, it's just such a warm red blushy type of color, so it works for the look. Oh, it's so stunning. And I'm gonna keep the blush just on the apples of my cheeks. I'm not gonna bring it onto the bridge of my nose like I usually do, just because this is a winter inspired makeup look, so we ain't looking sun-kissed in today's video. I'm also gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Santorini Glow Highlight. I'm so excited to use this. I've never used a loose highlighter like this before, so wish me luck at the same time. I feel like I should like maybe dump some into the cap, and I feel like I should use my finger first. I don't know, like I don't know what to do. I've never used this before. Wow. I was not expecting that at all. Can definitely blend this out with the brush, but oh my god, yeah. This is a really good highlighter. Like, she is pigmented, guys. I'm like super shocked. I'm using this little itty bitty brush. This is a JH42, and the payoff with this brush is unreal, guys. So moving on to the lippies. And then for my lipstick, I really want to try a low-key super bad, but I also want to try out the new KKW. Let me just open it up for you guys and maybe just swatch a few of the shades so you guys can get an idea of how they look on my skin tone at least. So the first shade we have is called Soul Sister, and this is how Soul Sister swatches. Next we have Double Trouble, and that's Double Trouble right here. Super similar, honestly. They're not much different. Next we have Twinning, which honestly should have been the last shade because it's identical to the other. And that's Twinning. That's pretty. I actually might wear that one today. And the last and final shade is called Main Bay. And this is actually a gloss. Super pretty combination. I like how the packaging literally matches like the lipsticks. Super pretty. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to wear any of these shades today. I want to try... I actually want to swatch low-key on my hand as well next to these to actually see which one I want to wear. So this is low-key right here. No, I actually might go in with low-key. And then I'm actually just going to top this look off with the Tardiest Shimmering Lip Paint in the shade Skirt Globe. So yeah, this completes today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday Kylie Cosmetics inspired makeup look. Let me know what you guys really liked from the Kylie Cosmetics products that I got. I really did like the Santorini highlighter. I was not expecting it to be this blinding. Like, definitely my new highlighter of the month. It's such a holiday highlighter anyways, so it works perfectly for this look. I'm obsessed with the Bone Concealer. Definitely a lot more brightening than the other two concealers that I was using from her. The brows, super natural. Like I said, it was a Kylie inspired makeup tutorial. She always has her brows super feathery and light. So yeah, I love this lip combo as well. Definitely my new go-to lip combo. But yeah, this completes the look. If you guys did like the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below and hit the bell so you guys can get notified when I upload my next video. But with that being said, I will see you guys all in my next creation, vlog, video, whatever you guys want to say. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!